Uploading a contract to HoneyBook is a straightforward process that enables you to manage your client agreements efficiently. Here's how to do it. Log into HoneyBook. Access your HoneyBook account using your credentials. Navigate to the project. Go to the project you want to add the contract to. You can find your projects in the Projects tab on the dashboard. Create a contract. Within the project, click on the Create button and select Contract from the drop-down menu. If you already have a template, you can choose to use that. Upload contract template. If you're uploading a new contract, click on Upload template. You can either drag and drop your contract file into the upload area or click to browse and select the file from your computer. HoneyBook supports PDF, doc, and docx formats. Customize the contract. Once the contract is uploaded, you can customize it by adding client-specific details. HoneyBook allows you to insert variables that automatically populate with project-specific information, such as client name, event date, and payment terms. Save and send. After customizing, save the contract. You can then send it to your client directly from HoneyBook by clicking the Send button. HoneyBook provides options to send via email and allows clients to sign electronically. Track the status. Monitor the contract status within the project. HoneyBook will notify you when the client views and signs the contract.